Hey guys, watch how many peacocks are coming to feed themselves or have food which I brought. Here is the small kachora with broken rice, and see how many pigeons are coming up for food. All these are very much hungry. I thought I would create a small video just to help people understand the situation and take a bowl of rice or broken rice or whatever the grains onto the terrace so that these birds don't die of starvation. Oh, 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 oh. This is my first day, guys, and I think these are not familiar with my word. Oh, so it will take some time for them to understand and they will become my friends, hopefully in day or two. Oh, oh, I didn't even realize these many birds will turn up by my word or by these grains. Oh, I'm immensely happy with the response which I got, and I'm sure I'm going to continue this small work from my end on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you guys for watching my video. You can see few of them are just waiting for me to leave by sitting on the dish TV antennas. This one is just turning around for me. It's alone. Not sure why it's alone. Finding some food over here as well, it seems. Here are many. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Have a good day. Bye, peacocks.